Today is the International Day for Peace. Let us celebrate by reaching out to the world by sharing this video and declaring our love for the universe and one another, no matter of our difference in color, religious beliefs, nationality, political beliefs, and economical status. We are all vibrations on different frequencies like a rainbow beautiful, because of the different colors that we radiate to reveal the beauty of being united in difference. Let peace overcome hatred. Let love overcome greed, and let this world become one forever. As we go on throughout the day, think of positive thoughts. Make little gestures of goodwill toward your neighbors. You could be that tiny drop of water that sends ripples of good energy throughout the world. Remember that everything good will return to you. Have a wonderful day, and let us strive to have a new beginning to everlasting peace.